Hello, today I'm going to show you what the difference is between a profile and a page on Facebook. A profile is what you create when you set up your Facebook account. It has your real name and is used to keep in contact with your friends and family. Facebook pages are for businesses and brands, and you should use them to keep in contact with customers and fans. To get on Facebook, you would first create your profile, then use the profile to set up a page. Page owners are completely anonymous, and it's possible to adjust the privacy settings on your profile if you don't want people to find you on Facebook or the internet. The reason Facebook requires a profile with your real identity is to make it harder for illegal activities to take place on the platform. Another type of page you can make on Facebook is a group page. Groups require a profile to create and can be either public or private. There's other types of content on the Facebook platform like marketplace listings, ads, events, and that's basically it. Everything is built out around the profile, which you do need to have for creating pages, running ads, doing anything on the platform. Let me know if you have any questions about profiles and pages in the comments, and thank you for watching.